once again.
Here we're going to look at testing a starter motor on a bench. So if, like this one, someone's bought it from a scrapyard, you want to make sure it's working before you stick it on a car. So we'll look at testing it. You're going to need a battery like this with some jump leads connected. Obviously red to positive, black to minus, negative. I always like to connect the red positive first. If you look on the back of the starter motor, you'll have usually 3 volts. So you've got this big one with a wire going back to the body. Do not put the light to that, that's a negative. So you'll have another big one here. Big and small. Small is usually your ignition. This is the main live, which has a constant 12 volt feed. So we're going to put our jumper cable on there. Then we're going to put, just lost lights. So we're going to put our black negative onto the steel or aluminium body of the starter motor there. Then you can get a screwdriver, press it against your main live here, and then we're going to hold it on there or on your jumper cable and bridge it across to this small bolt here. Then you should hear the starter motor spin up and buzz. I'll hold it up to show you. Just getting a bad connection on there, so that's why it's jumping around. So that starter motor is working. That doesn't always mean it's going to start the car. It sounds a bit worn out, so I wouldn't really suggest fitting that. Here we've got another starter motor, which I know is not working, but we'll just show you. Put our negative again onto the body, and our positive onto our big bolt on the back. Now, because this one's slightly different, our ignition is buried inside this plug here, so we're going to have to feed a wire in there. So again, we're going to put this on our main along with our jumper cable, and we're going to press this in here. I can see little sparks coming off it, but this one is totally dead. There's no movement whatsoever from that starter motor. And there you go, one completely dead starter motor, one that works but it's a little bit noisy. Don't know if you can hear that. Should be nice and solid and smooth. But yeah, we get a lot of customers asking us to fit dodgy old parts, so I'm going to advise against fitting it.